In this video, I'll show you how to pin a website to the taskbar in Windows 11. This is a great way to get quick access to your favorite websites without having to open your browser and type the address every time. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome and navigate to the website you want to pin to your taskbar. For this example, we'll use bbc.com, but you can use any website you like. Once the website has loaded, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the Chrome window. From the menu, hover over Cast, Save, and Share, then click Create Shortcut. A pop-up window will appear. Enter a name for the shortcut if you'd like. This will allow the website to open in its own dedicated window. Now, click Create. After a moment, the website shortcut will appear on your desktop and may also open automatically in a separate window. Next, right-click the website icon on the taskbar and select Pin to Taskbar. If it's already pinned, you won't need to do anything else. To test it, close the website window and then click the pinned icon on your taskbar. The website should launch instantly in its own window. That's it. You've successfully pinned a website to the Windows 11 taskbar for faster and more convenient access. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Windows 11 tips and guides.